With 5-Star Bath Solutions, you are getting more than a 5-star product. You're getting a 5-star experience. What is the 5-star experience? It's not the experience you get with a typical home improvement company. Every aspect of your experience with us will be surprisingly different and better. We are committed to meeting and exceeding your expectations. You will know before we even start your bathroom project, to the penny pricing and payment options available to you. The quality of the products and materials we'll use that ensure easy cleaning. What your new bathroom will look like because of our expertly designed 3D rendering. When your bathroom project will start and when it will finish. And the expertise of the craftsman doing the work. How the work, materials, and products will be warranted for life. And who will service your warranty for life. The durability of the materials. And you'll know that your shower will be completely waterproof because we go above and beyond the standard method of shower construction. The dedicated project manager who will keep you up to date with the entire process as it happens. And we will conduct a certified post-inspection to ensure everything you were promised has been delivered and that your remodeling project meets all standards. In short, with 5-Star Bath Solutions, you'll know the outcome before it happens. What you're getting, for what price, in what time frame, and to what expected standards. In this way, we can help you feel more comfortable and confident in your decision. To start your 5-Star Bath Solutions experience, book your free in-home estimate and let us show you how we can beautify your bathroom, all in a clean and safe environment.